Hello, my name is Jim. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to talk about a very big animal. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it is an elephant. But not just any elephant. This is an African elephant. African elephants live in Africa, a very big continent with hot weather and wide open land. We call this land the Savanna. African elephants are the largest land animals in the world. That means no animal on land is bigger than an elephant. They can be 4 meters tall. That is very, very tall. I am about 1 meter 80, so an elephant is more than 2 times taller than me. Look at the elephant's nose. In English, we call it a trunk. The trunk is very long and very strong. Elephants use their trunk to drink water. They put the trunk in the water, then bring the water to their mouth. They also use the trunk to pick up food and to say hello to other elephants. Elephants eat plants, grass, and fruit. They do not eat meat. We call an animal like this a herbivore. A herbivore only eats plants. Elephants are also very smart. They remember places and people for a long time. They live in groups called herds. A herd is like a family. The leader of the herd is always a female elephant. We call her the matriarch. One sad thing. Today, African elephants are in danger. There are not many left in the wild. People are working hard to protect them. I think that is very important.
Okay, let's look at some key words from today. Say them with me. Elephant, trunk, savanna, herd, herbivore. Good job! Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. See you in the next video. Bye!